I'm Elaine, and I own the Sawmill family restaurant.
When I come to the Sawmill, I get the catfish and the shrimp.
How are y'all doing today?
I love to get the fried chicken,
the catfish, mashed potatoes, and a biscuit.
The gumbo.
I usually get the fish and the chicken.
The Western omelet.
I get everything, and it's awesome.
There's one more thing I get.
And there's one more thing I get. It's always a Pepsi.
Always get a Pepsi.
Pepsi.
can't have a meal without a Pepsi.
I love my customers here at the Sawmill family restaurant, and I love Allen Beverages.